Okay, it's here live. Okay, let's start. Sorry, I am late. How are you? I hope everyone is good. Stay safe, please. Okay, let's start. I have given the previous day link. Okay, so that you can download and start. Who is new here and start the from where we are now. I am giving the link here to let me give you the link here in the comment. I have given you the link again. Okay, let me close also give you here to video. Okay, give you here link. Now I am closing Facebook. Let's start. So it's our yesterday folder. Let me copy the files. We need CSS image and this HTML file. Okay, copy new folder. Our today's date is 2020 year 04 month and 15. So today's 15. Paste all. Okay, we are ready. We need to do edit with Notepad++. So we need Notepad++ software. We are working with Notepad++ software. You can use other IDE. Alright, so we did write these codes and this code. Let's run it. So we have created this much. So how much do we need again? We need to create this from birthday, this thing and this footer. Okay, I need to create this. Let's start right away. So what is this? This is also another label that we created here, and this, what is this one we never used before. This one is a drop down. It's called drop down. This also a drop down, another drop down. What is this? Did they use any table or something? No, there is no table. So this is div again, another div, and this is nothing, just they just did some CSS there with anchor tag. This is a anchor tag. Click for more information. Anchor tag. And this is a radio button. This called radio button. This circle. This circle is called radio button. Okay. Label radio button. This one is also label radio button, label radio button. Okay, and this is some text with, there is a anchor tag, there is another anchor tag, and blah blah. So this thing you need to do it whenever for any terms and condition or anything. Text with anchor tag, you need these things so many times. Okay, and also everything here you need multiple times always. Okay, so these are the things you need always: text box, labels, drop down, everything. Let's start how to how can we do this, we need at first a div, so it will be center top right div, no center div. After inside sign up form there is div. Wait, it's another div, so let me copy this div and okay, it's another div, and inside this div there will be a label. So we have written labels before like this. Label will be like this one. So in label they said birthday. If we reload, there is a label birthday. There is a little bit of gap between here. Here we can use a thing that's called break. BR. Okay. It's called break. Break means a line break. Okay. So if you are writing something in think like in a word file, you are writing something where there after some or anywhere when you are texting or something you need to do a new line. Okay, you break an empty line, then you use that break. Okay, this will give you an empty line there. Okay, after label birthday there will be 3 drop down. How can we create drop down? Let me make a div here, and inside there drop down is this select. Okay, drop down we can write like this. This is the tag for drop down. Okay, so this is main drop down. Under that there this is select, so you can select an option from drop down. That's why this tag is starts with select option. This is drop down. Another name of drop down is select option. Okay, if select an option, so if you remember select option or drop down, then you can write easily select. Inside select there will be option. Okay, you have to select an option, that's why you have to have some options there to select. What is options? Every line of this is on one option. Okay, this day is one option, 1 is one option, 2 is another option, 3 another, 4 another. Okay, so we have to write like day is an option, value equal to 10 or 0. Okay, let's do it 1 like this. Let's give select an ID, meaningful ID, because we need why we need this, we need to submit this form. I told you in previous video we need to submit this form. Okay, so there and work with these selected options. Whenever you select this, when there will be development, then these things necessary, they need to do some work with this. That's why this ID is necessary, because if they use JavaScript or something, they will have to take the values from here, and meaningful ID will help them. Okay, so it will be sign up birth is day. Okay, birthday and we will use birth month, birth year. Okay, so let's see how it is now. Sorry, controller reload. Look, here we got a drop down. Okay, both options are day. This one will be 1. Okay, we use this, then day 1. Now we have to do like 1 to 30 because there are 30. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, sorry, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's do it. This will be sign up birth month. Okay, sign up birth month, and month will be 12. Oh, let me select 4. Sorry, let me select 4. There is a mistake here. Select 4 and let me remove others, and here will be Jan. We can say here January total month, or we can follow what Facebook just did. February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Okay, so if we reload, automatically April selected, but we can select any of this. It will not be day, they said here month. MONT is month. Reload month, day, month. Okay, next is year, and year is between 1905 to 2020. So I am you have understand the logic, so I am going to skip this much of years. I will provide only 2020 here. Okay, option